switch on. We're just outside Willoughby Bay.
I think it's probably a kingfish.
Ooh, that'd be nice.
Right, at the moment, but if it turns towards shore, we might have a problem.
I need to turn the boat, do I? Huh? Try and steer which way should I steer? Okay. Is that okay?
Slow down everything. Just bring it proper back just a touch.
Is that better?
We'll have a look at it. Just might want to clear the deck slightly cooler up.
Okay. My jump. Turn to the right again. Am I pointing okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Come on, baby, you can do it. Out to sea. It's gone underneath the other line. I needed to bring the other line in, didn't I? Oh! Do I need to start winding in the other line? Oh yeah, I see it! It's big. Oh my god. Hang on to it, honey. Do you need that thing around your waist? What? Brought in. Chantal.
It's going good. I'll tell you when it's in the boat.
How? Is it a big one or?
Anything that can bend this rod this far is pretty big.
You're talking to a rookie. Has he? What do I do with the boat? Is the boat okay? Turn out to sea again.
That's why it's not coming in.
Why? Because we've got two. Is there anything I can do? Just keep winding this one as well.
When he's in the boat.
love.
Oh yeah, who's your daddy?
Oh my god! That is so big. Get the as soon as you let that go. Can I help you in any way?
No, that's what I'm talking about.
Fishing with Captain Nick. Yeehaw!